Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to keep snaps and chats in Snapchat. This feature allows you to preserve your snaps within the chat conversation for a longer period. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat where you want to keep your snaps. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Chat Settings. Step 5. Next, enable Keep Snaps and Chats. By doing so, your snaps will be saved within the chat conversation and won't disappear after being viewed. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep your snaps and chats on Snapchat and have a longer-lasting record of your shared moments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.